How to kill MR EXE in 3 easy ways. Voiced by none other than the one and only MR EXE. Man, look at that sunrise. It's so beautiful. I never had the chance to really witness one so close before. Wait a second, I'm not even supposed to be out at this time. Why am I out? Why am I out? Why am I out? This is one of the easier methods. Just put a sunbeam above me and I'll melt like it was fucking chocolate on a hot summer day. It can't get any worse than that, right? I just fucking had to open my mouth, didn't I? Ah! You see, being made of slime isn't that well when you can melt under the sun and you can get easily burned to a crisp by a flamethrower. This right here is not real starvation, because I cannot die from starvation in the first place. This is real starvation. That's right, I am using this video to complain about YouTube and the stupid algorithm changes. Nah, I'm actually joking, but seriously though, this is unreal. This stupid line is unreal, like, fuck me.